In this video, we listed the 8 best men's gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Happy Nuts Comfort Cream Deodorant. The Happy Nuts Comfort Cream Deodorant is designed to provide men with effective, long-lasting protection against sweat, odor, and chafing, particularly for sensitive areas like the private parts. With a focus on comfort and hygiene, this aluminum-free deodorant offers a smooth, non-greasy formula that keeps you fresh and dry throughout the day. It helps prevent skin irritation and discomfort caused by sweating, making it ideal for active individuals or anyone seeking a reliable daily hygiene product. This 3.4-ounce container delivers optimal sweat defense and odor control, without the use of harsh chemicals, ensuring a more natural and safer alternative for personal care. The product's anti-chafing properties make it particularly useful for individuals who experience friction and irritation during physical activities or in warmer climates. Its original scent is subtle and refreshing, providing a clean feeling without overpowering fragrances. Product 2. Product name: Monocular Telescope. The monocular telescope with 8x42 magnification is a versatile and compact optical tool designed for a wide range of outdoor activities. With its high-power magnification, 8x, it provides a detailed, close-up view of distant objects, making it ideal for bird watching, hiking, camping, wildlife viewing, and even hunting. Its 42mm objective lens ensures a bright and clear image, even in low-light conditions. Built with waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof capabilities, this monocular is perfect for use in various weather conditions, ensuring durability and reliability during outdoor adventures. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or exploring scenic views, this monocular stands up to the elements. The included hand strap adds extra convenience and stability for users of all ages, making it suitable for both adults and kids. This monocular is designed to be both lightweight and portable, easily fitting into a pocket or bag, which makes it perfect for traveling. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, and it's a great addition for nature enthusiasts, travelers, or anyone looking to enhance their outdoor experiences. Product 3. Product name: Coquimbo Tool. The Coquimbo Tool rechargeable LED work light is a versatile and practical gift designed for men, particularly for occasions like Father's Day, birthdays, or as a gift for a husband or dad. This light features a powerful magnetic base, making it perfect for hands-free use in a variety of settings, such as car repairs or DIY projects. The light can rotate 360 degrees, allowing users to adjust its position for optimal illumination, and it offers 5 different light modes, ensuring flexibility for different tasks. The rechargeable feature adds convenience, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective, while its compact design ensures portability and easy storage. This work light is an ideal addition to any toolbox, offering reliability and functionality for mechanics, hobbyists, or anyone needing a bright and adjustable light source for work or recreational activities. The pack includes 2 black work lights, providing extra value and utility. Product 4. Product name: Erlang Push-Up Board. The Erlang Push-Up Board is a versatile, portable, and foldable 10-in-1 strength training equipment designed to enhance your push-up workouts. This professional-grade push-up bar set is ideal for individuals looking to build strength and improve their overall fitness levels. The push-up board is equipped with color-coded handles to target different muscle groups, allowing users to focus on their chest, shoulders, back, arms, and core. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, making it a great addition to both home gyms and outdoor training routines. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, the Erlang Push-Up Board offers a customizable and efficient way to perform push-ups, delivering targeted muscle engagement for better results. Product 5. Product name: Archery Bow Set. An archery bow set typically includes a compound bow, designed for precision and power, making it ideal for both training and competitive archery. Often crafted from stainless steel, these bows are highly durable and reliable for outdoor sports and hunting activities. For enthusiasts who enjoy outdoor adventures, the set may include various accessories like arrows, a bowstring, and a stabilizer, enhancing the shooting experience. These bows are especially suited for professional competitions due to their ability to deliver accurate shots over long distances. Their cool and sleek design makes them appealing to both beginners and experienced archers, while also catering to those who are serious about honing their skills in various settings, be it outdoor practice or competitive shooting. This training bow also provides an excellent option for developing muscle memory and improving aim, making it a versatile tool for archers of all skill levels. Product 6. Product name: Small Pocket Knife. Their Small Pocket Knife for Men is a versatile and compact tool designed for everyday carry, EDC. It features a 1.34-inch stainless steel blade, making it ideal for small tasks like cutting, opening packages, and other general uses. Their nice mini-folding design makes it easily portable, and its keychain attachment adds convenience, allowing it to be carried along with your keys or other essentials. This knife can also serve as a self-defense tool, offering a discreet way to stay prepared in various situations. It's an excellent gift idea, particularly for Christmas stockings, making it a practical and thoughtful present for adults, especially men who appreciate functional gadgets. Their knife's compact size and portability make it an ideal addition to a pocket or bag, offering utility without taking up much space. Product 7. Product name: Gerber Gear Suspension. The Gerber Gear Suspension NXT15 in 1 EDC multi-tool is a versatile, high-quality tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, making it ideal for survivalists, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a compact design, this multi-tool offers a variety of useful features, including a pocket knife, needle nose pliers, wire stripper tools, and many other practical tools that can assist in a range of tasks. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance, even in tough environments. This tool is particularly suitable for camping and survival gear, with its wide range of functions such as cutting, gripping, and stripping wires. Whether you're setting up camp, repairing equipment, or handling everyday situations, the Gerber Gear Suspension NXT ensures you have the right tool on hand. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, and it serves as a thoughtful gift for men who enjoy outdoor activities or need a reliable multi-tool for everyday use. The inclusion of needle nose pliers and a wire stripper adds even more utility to this already highly functional tool, making it a must-have for your gear collection. Product 8. Product name: Handheld Digital Microscope. A handheld digital microscope is a versatile and compact tool designed for various users, including adults and kids, offering a user-friendly way to explore objects at a microscopic level. This particular model features 800x magnification, providing high-definition views with a 2-inch LCD screen, which allows users to easily view and analyze specimens. It is a pocket-sized microscope, making it highly portable and ideal for on-the-go observations. Their microscope is equipped with a USB connection, allowing users to easily transfer images or videos captured during their exploration. The included 32GB SD card offers ample storage space for saving detailed snapshots or recordings of the items under observation, which is useful for educational purposes, hobbyists, or scientific research. The ease of use, combined with its portable nature, makes this device an excellent choice for both kids as an educational tool and adults for scientific or inspection purposes, providing an accessible entry point to the world of microscopy.